everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Cook With Me video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you along with me as I throw together kind of like a Mediterranean style omelet. I don't make omelets too often, honestly. Usually I end up wrecking it when I'm trying to flip it or something, and then I turn it into scrambled eggs. So I'm going to do my best today. I'm going to take you along with me and we'll see how we do. So let's get started.
It's a journey for life and I'm your ride. Hang on, we'll be long gone. Hang on.
So for my omelets, I make them different probably every single time that I make them. For today, I'm going to be using some mixed greens. I have about a cup of mixed greens there. I'm going to chop those up into smaller pieces. I have 2 eggs here. I have some on the vine tomatoes. I'm just going to cut a little bit, probably maybe half a tomato, just to kind of put that inside and over the top. In here, I have about 10 grams of Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to shred that up over the top of it after. I have 6 Kalamata olives. I love using these in recipes. They're so good and have really good healthy fats. And then I have some olive oil I'm just going to use in the pan. I'm also going to use a green onion. I'm just going to chop that up and put that over the top of it when it's done. I also have a little bit of water here that I use to mix in with my eggs. So I used to use milk, but I've since changed and I just use water now. So the first thing I'm going to do is get all my vegetables chopped up. And then I'm only going to use probably about half of this tomato. I'm going to dice up the olives. And then the green onion. Then I think what I'm going to do is take the white pieces and just move those over here because I'm going to put those, I think, in the egg. And then those will be for the top of it. And now I'm just going to shred up my Parmesan. So over here on my stove, I have a skillet heating up. I have this on medium-high heat. I'm going to get that heating up while I scramble my eggs. So to those, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to add the egg. And then the mixed greens. The tomatoes, those few little bit of the white parts of the green onion, and then the olives. I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt since the Kalamata olives are pretty salty. Just let that cook until the bottom side of the egg is set. And then as soon as it's done, you want to get it right onto a plate. And then top it with the Parmesan and the green onion. All right, so that omelet stayed together. I didn't have to turn it into scrambled eggs. So let me know in the comments, what are some of the things that you put in your omelets? Like I said, I do omelets so many different ways, but I like to hear other ideas because I just love just trying different things with omelets. So let me tell you about the points and calories, because I didn't say that at the beginning because honestly, I hadn't figured everything out yet. So I'll put a link down below to the recipe. So if you want all the ingredients that I use, that will be down in the description box below. And also all the nutritional facts will be on the website. It'll have all the calories. If you're watching macros, it has your proteins, fats, good fats, bad fats, all that stuff. And then if you're following WW, there will be a link that you can click on to bring you to your WW page. And as long as you're logged into your app, then it will let you know what your WW points are. And you can even track it from there as well. So for me on WW, it came to 7 points, and then I earned 1 point back for the veggies. But keep in mind, I do count my eggs. So 4 of those points were from my eggs. So if your eggs are a 0 point, you can take 4 points right off the bat. And then for calories, it came out to 330 calories for that whole big omelet. So the points and calories are just for the omelet, not for the other things that I had with it. So 330 calories, and the protein on it was 18 grams of protein. So again, that's just for the omelet though. So like I said, make sure to let me know in the comments, give me some ideas of different ways that I can make, because I love making omelets. So if you like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.